Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a simple flower, as you can see. So let's get started. So here I have my chain and my hook. So I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here I have my last chain and I'm going to insert right in front, pull through to make a slip knot, and I'm going to crochet right in the center of this hook, as you can see the small hole. So I'm going to insert my hook in the center, pull through, bring the yarn over the center, pull through, okay. So we have here our last chain hook. So we are going to insert our hook here, pull through. I'm going to make a slip knot, yeah, and we're going to chain 6 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we're going to leave the one which is here and we're going to go to the second stitch, pull through, then we're going to chain again 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to go right over there, pull through, chain 6 again. 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, I'm going to go right over there, pull through, chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Go right over there, slip knot, then chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go right over there. Slip knot, chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go through there, pull again, slip knot, chain 6 again. Sorry. So this is how it looks like. You can see. So we're going to crochet a fine line or a stem. Going to crochet 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so as you can see, our flower is ready as we made. As we made this one here. This is the first one I made, and this is the second one. So if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.